So I'm here with the Fujica half 1.9 camera. I'm in Rhode Island. And I'm just bringing it around to take some photos, see how they come out. So I'm going to take this shot here in a vertical frame because this is only half a frame with 35 millimeter. So I'm going to take this shot here and see how it comes out. So right now I'm at 1/25th of a second at f11. Now we're going to take this shot right here and we're going to see how it comes out. Hey there everybody, this is Lewis and I'm here today with another review of a little camera, a Fuji Fujica 1.9 half frame camera, half frame of a 35 millimeter, so you can put twice as many photos in one roll of film. And it's from the 1960s. This one here I got at a local auction, the same auction that I got another camera that I reviewed recently, the Pentax 3. You can see that video from a couple of weeks ago that I just posted, and the whole review with photos. And I got this one in the same bundle of cameras, a whole bunch of stuff for like, I don't know, 50, 60 bucks, whatever it was. And this was one of them. Pristine condition, beautiful, in its little case, right? And I took it out to test it out, and I went to a couple of different places over a few months actually, and then finally I got the film developed, and I'm going to show you the shots and how they look. I'm actually very happy with it. I'm not a big fan of like small negatives, because I like the bigger negatives with the clear images. But that said, you know, if you like film and you like that grain and you like that older 60s, 70s look without the high resolution, something like this will work really nice. The quality itself of the photographs, as you're going to see, they're all pretty much very sharp. I used old expired film, 200 speed, so it looks a little off. I didn't change anything. I had it developed at the darkroom in California, and they scanned it. So I'm showing you just how they are from the lab, okay? So just a couple of quick interesting features on this camera. When you look through the viewfinder, you see a vertical frame, okay? If you want to shoot horizontally, you got to do this. So it's kind of backwards than what you're used to. The focus is just a little knob here. It has a distance setting, but inside what you see is a mountain, you see a person, and you see a group of people, and that kind of indicates to you where or how to focus without looking at the numbers in the distance. It gives you an idea. And the lens is a 3.3 centimeter. I think that's like a 33 millimeter lens. So everything is kind of pretty sharp. You know, you really have to be, I think, off by a lot for it not to be in focus. The meter I didn't use because it doesn't look like the meter is working. So I used my handheld meter to meter everything. What else? Just a little beautiful camera, handy. And the roll of film was a 24 exposure roll, and somehow I got 53 shots, you know. And I'm going to show you most of them. And like I said, most of them came out pretty good. And I actually got a few that I was really impressed with, that I really, really liked. So check it out. I'm going to talk over the photos, and let me know what you think. If you like the photos, if you ever tried this camera before, but do leave a like and a comment. That would be very helpful. Okay, so here's the camera again. Little beauty. On the back and underneath. No battery required that I recall. I don't think I put any batteries in it. I set the ISO right here, and that's pretty much it. Nice little camera. All right, so check out the photos. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much.